Lance from ICP Philippines. Hi, Michael.
Hello.
How are you? It's nice to see you again.
Yeah, nice seeing you. And GM everyone! GM! Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat.
We're excited, Michael. Take it away.
Okay. So good evening everyone. My name is Michael Lance. I'm actually the PR Podcast Lead at DEFCON Philippines and also a freelance correspondent at Bitfinas. At the ating editor. Thank you. Okay. So I'll be sharing with you on how to create apps using true conversation. Yes. Pwede kayong for those who are not. Okay. So you can actually create applications on the decentralized system through artificial intelligence. Ayan, yun yung aking i-discuss in this evening. Okay, so siguro we can go to the first slide perhaps. Yeah. Sige. So I will be showing you a video. Okay? Yeah. Sige. Let's play the video. Okay, sige. So while waiting, okay, kasi okay, sino dito yung mga software developers? Raise your hand. Ay, konti lang. Okay, sige. Pero okay lang yan. I know most of you are into crypto, or on trading, no? Pero I will be explaining you how to create apps using AI. Okay? Sige. So I think that's wala pa. Sige, can we go to the third one? Okay, sige. So, sorry for that. I think hindi yata nalagay yung video. Okay, but I'll tell you a story on how we develop. Sige. Okay. Right. Okay, sige. So, sorry for that. Okay, so typically, when we develop programs, okay, we have software team, engineering teams that will create the app for you. Okay, you have the front end, the back end, and everything, right? From end to end, the front and back end to end. Okay, you have a team to create a software for you. Now, hindi yan madali. It's not easy because you need to plan. Okay, you need to talk to the client or to your boss, create plans, and even after writing the code or the software, you have to test it out. Now, here we are already in the AI era. Ayan. Sino ba sa atin ngayon ang gumagamit ng ChatGPT? Right? Napaka-exciting nito. Okay? You use AI now not only in computation but also in creating stuff like creating like you can write stories, create videos, or even images. Actually, recently I tried creating a video through Google Gemini. Ayan. Pero hindi dyan nagtatapos ang kwento. The story doesn't end there. You can create apps through AI. No, there are a lot of tools that is powered by artificial intelligence that can help you in writing applications. So, merong apps like Cursor, Replit, and Lovable that can help you along the way, especially if you're just a beginner in software development. And that's what you call vibe coding. Okay? Pero ito, what ICP and the Dfinity Foundation made is a little bit more revolutionary because it allows the creation of an application from end to end using prompts. Okay? So, ito yun. Sige, next slide please. Okay? Next slide. Ayan. So, the difference between vibe coding and yung self-writing na dinevelop ng ICP is that if you're into vibe coding, you need to have a little bit of background in software development or programming. Kailangan matuto muna kayo those basic stuff like ano yung logic, di ba? Ano yung mga arithmetic applications, so that the AI can help you develop the stuff that you want to create. Pero dito sa self-writing development, even those who are not in tech are able to create apps. Ayan. So sige, I'll introduce to you to Caffeine AI. Okay, next. So ang ginagawa lang ng Caffeine AI, or what Caffeine AI offers for you, is that you can create an app based on the web through prompting. Or just you can type, describe the app that you want, then it will show you, it will easily create and deploy it for you. Ayan. So, just write the code and deploy it, and if you want, you can converse with the artificial intelligence platform to refine your idea. Okay? So, ganyan lang siya kadali. So, through chatting to the AI and one-click production, you get your app. Okay? Sige. Next. Ano bang laman nito? How does it work? So, meron siyang mga tools, no, like auto LLM classification, meron din siyang back-end and front-end modules, and incremental AI instructions, so that it can help you create the app that you want. Okay? So ano ba yung mga apps na pwede nyong gamitin? Or ano yung mga pwede nyong integrate na functions through the Caffeine AI? So you can integrate these functions like crypto wallet or analytics or authentication, so that you can be able to harness the power of interoperability. Okay? Sige, next. So yung ino-offer ng AI, ng Caffeine.ai, is actually the leveraging the benefits of the latest artificial intelligence technologies and the programming language that we use. Okay. Next. Sige. So, ang maganda kasi dito sa ginagawa ng Caffeine AI is that it will create the program for you in a language that might as well more understandable and more readable to you. Okay? Kasi ang base language ng Internet Computer Protocol is Rust. And I know that for programmers, Rust is a difficult language to learn from it. Okay, so Rust din yung, I think yung nagpa-power din sa Solana and Zulu. So ICP created a higher language that ang pangalan dyan ay Motoko, and yung Caffeine AI is able to create apps that might be more understandable to us. Okay? So, Caffeine, so yung Caffeine.ai has a community as well. Okay? Meron din siyang ecosystem that is very interesting for you. Meron din siyang app market. Ayan. Wherein you can showcase the apps that you create through artificial intelligence. Kanino ba po pwede itong Caffeine.ai? Kanino po pwede ba ito? Okay, next. So, you can try Caffeine.ai where you're small, okay, through, if you have a personal app or you have a small business, and you can as we get along the way, you can apply it to complex integrations and even to the large business. Okay, so for more information about Caffeine.ai, okay, next. So for more information about Caffeine.ai, all you need to do is to scan the QR code or visit Caffeine.ai on your web browser. And we will start the journey together in creating self-writing apps. Okay? Ayan. Sige. So, find time in taking a picture of this QR code and visit Caffeine.ai. Okay. So, ayan. So, once again, thank you so much for listening to my talk. My name is Michael Lance. And happy prompting.
Thank you very much.